In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur in ClipChamp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your project, find the right controls, and apply a clean, adjustable blur to your footage so you can soften a background or obscure sensitive details with confidence. First, open your browser and head to ClipChamp. Create a new project or open an existing one, then bring your video into the editor. You can import from your computer or media library, whatever is easiest. Once it appears in your media panel, drag the video down into the timeline. Make sure it sits on the primary video track and spans the duration you want to blur. If the preview looks a little low quality at first, give it a moment to process. That's normal and won't affect your final result. Next, select the clip you want to work on by clicking it directly in the timeline. You'll know it's selected when you see it highlighted and the editing options on the right side of the screen become active. This step is important because ClipChamp only shows filters and adjustments for the clip that's currently selected. With the clip selected, look to the right side panel for the editing controls. Depending on your version, you'll see a section labeled Filters, Effects, or Adjustments. They all live in the same general area and serve a similar purpose. If you don't see them right away, make sure the clip is still selected. The options hide when nothing is active. You can scroll through the available looks, or use the search field if one is available to quickly find blur-related options. Now, apply the blur effect. Choose a filter or effect that softens the image, often labeled blur, soft focus, or something similar. The moment you click it, you'll see the change in your preview window. Most blur effects include an intensity or strength slider. Start low and move the slider slowly until you reach the level you need. If you're trying to gently de-emphasize a busy background, a subtle blur usually looks more professional. If your goal is to hide private information, increase the intensity until the details are no longer recognizable. Play your clip in the preview to make sure the blur holds up during motion and looks consistent across the entire section. That's all there is to it. You opened ClipChamp, added your video to the timeline, selected your clip, found the filters or effects panel, and applied and adjusted a blur to get the exact look you wanted. Experiment within that same panel to fine-tune the softness and you'll have a clean, polished result in minutes.